You'll be hearing noise in my videos. They are fixing the roof right across from me. So that's the noise. If you do hear it, that's what it is. I am back with the complete eye look for today. One color eyeshadow using the Gemini 1 Melt Cosmetic Palette. It is simple, easy out the door. I just want to go and just walk around downtown. So I have my hair on, which I'm loving. Gotta get it all situated, but for now, it is what it is. Hair all in my mouth. This is too funny. Today's quote is by Charles Cotton. "O solitude, the soul's best friend. That man acquainted with himself dost make." Again, today's quote motivational word is, "O solitude, the soul's best friend. That man acquainted with himself dost make." There is a lot of noise going on. AC's on, they're fixing roof next door. It is just a lot of noise, but I love sitting here doing this, so I'm just recording it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, is telling you to go out and have a fabulous, fantastic, joyous day. You might not be going anywhere far. You might just be taking a walk in the backyard, taking a walk down to the park if you're close to one, or just walking in your neighborhood just for a little stroll and a little exercise at the same time. Enjoy. Life is short. Hopefully you took your palette out today. If you do makeup and you like makeup, take your palette out, and I hope you did something beautiful for you. Create something beautiful just for you. I am going to have a fabulous day writing. Talk to you soon. Bye. Me and this hair, it's everywhere. It's in my mouth, it's in my eyes. I will get it tamed. I'll get to the beauty store to get me the wax to make sure all the strands are together. But right now, messy is what it is. Messy, messy, messy. Bye, bye, bye. Fabulous day. Enjoy. Oh.